twice or triple the amount of calories. It is not a dirty bulk. If you do a dirty bulk and eat more processed food than clean foods, of course those extra calories will probably be supplement to fat. But if you do a regular, more cleaner approach, more whole foods approach, the extra sugar, the extra calories will be converted into muscle. For example, here I'll probably get 2 bags instead of 1 and double the amount of servings I eat. And obviously on a bulk, you still want your sweet treats, so you might go for here, but you get the lower calorie version. You don't overeat on these foods. Just because these foods are more processed, yes, they are not bad for you, but if you overconsume, especially over the calories you want, you will have more extra body fat than you would like, but it's not necessarily bad. So prioritize the nutrition on a bulking diet. Bulking is not bad. It helps you build muscle and get stronger. If you gain an inch of fat but build 6 pounds of muscle, that's better than that. So bulking is better. Just take this consider amount. This is my carb. It is energy drinks, but this whole bag of cereal, I save up all my calories for this bag of cereal. It's 700. Yes, it's not healthy, but there's no sugar involved, so the extra sugar still won't be converted too bad into body fat. But that's my sweet treat. That's what I want, and I'm gonna eat the whole bag. Yes, that seems excessive, but I have so many calories to eat throughout the day. I'm eating 90% of my calories to whole foods. That's a little bit about 17% of processed. So you guys gotta consider your calories amount, how you divide it.